Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations for Algebra 2A and 2B, Adding and Subtracting Inequalities. And when we're looking at inequalities, it means that one side does not equal the other. And so you're always comparing quantities with inequalities. Which one is larger? Which one's smaller? Or are they indeed the same measurement? Anyways, we'll be looking at some problems here, and we'll start off with something very basic. And we're using the addition or subtraction property of inequalities, and we somewhat do what we do for equalities, but there are some changes. So x plus 3 is greater than 10. All right, we want to work on the x side. That's the same thing. And x is being added 3, so we're going to subtract 3 on both sides. Very familiar with equations, and now you're left with x is greater than 7. And so you can check it, and it's original equation, substitute in, and then solve it. So this is a 7 here. Or you can actually just draw a number line, and I always go 0, and this is 7, and x is greater than 7. So all of these answers beyond 7 would be included. So x is greater than 7. Number 2. Solve for negative 6 is greater than or equal to n minus 5. All right, so we're not going to panic. We're going to be looking at the n side, the variable side, and we're going to add 5 to both sides. All right, and when we do that, we're left with negative 1 is greater than or equal to n. And this kind of gets hard with graphing, so we're going to start with the n. We're going to switch it around. So it's n is less than or equal to negative 1. So if you read it backwards, n is less than or equal to negative 1. We're going to look at that graph there. So again, we have a number line, 0, and n is less than or equal to negative 1. So this is negative 1, and less than means it's all the numbers passed this way, all those solutions. This is negative 1, but it's also equal to negative 1, so you're going to fill in the negative 1. Where up here, it was not equal to 7, it was greater than 7. So pay attention to that little snafu. Thank you.